All right. Welcome to another edition of Shabbat Lounge. This is Matt.
And Jake here.
We're coming to you doing a Torah, a flyover Torah portion.
Right? This is Vayetze, week 7, and he went out. Genesis 28:10 through 32.
Jacob has to run. He's fleeing Esau. He goes to Haran, and on the way to Haran, he stops at Bethel.
Yep, he sleeps on a rock and has a dream. We all heard the Stairway to Heaven dream, and there's a verse in John chapter 1, verse 43 through 51 talks about Yeshua being this bridge between heaven and earth.
And then, so in 18, it gives you more information. We're going to point out that the city was originally named Luz, where Bethel is. And so we've got a study on the almond. And when we talk to some folks that, so if you look at Sabbath Lounge, you can find that. And then the names of the tribes mean something. So can you say them real fast?
Yep. See, hear, join, praise, judge, wrestling. And then troop, bondservant, dwelling, fruitful branch, son of my right hand, fruitful, he has made me forget. So it tells a story if you look at the meanings of the names there.
So check that out. And then we've got the crazy wife swapping story of Rachel and Leah, and Jacob being very drunk possibly, and maybe words that Rachel was like, "How did you not know that was me, sir?"
Right.
So we get mixed multitude with the spotted lambs, and so Jacob comes in poor and he leaves how?
He leaves wealthy.
Yep, he built his wealth in this story. And then you've got the mandrakes, and so a bunch of weird story.
There's, it's like more wife swapping going on.
And then you've got the whole story where she's sitting on the idols and she refuses to get up. And she tells her dad, "Hey, I'm on my period. I can't get up."
Yep. No idols here, friend.
And he doesn't even bother to look. And so we don't know, does she do this to prevent Laban from divining it and finding out their location, or is she trying to hang on to the past? We don't know. Right. So that is
Vayetze, and he went out
in 3 minutes. And so we appreciate you stopping by and Google Sabbath Lounge. We've got more Torah portions. We have this one in longer format with more detail.
Right.
Thanks for stopping by. This is Matt
and Jake
signing off.